This is Timeless Fitness Band and comes in a bracelet watch design in metal strap. This is priced at rupees 4495 in India, and let's do our review business. Welcome to Tech Raman Vanakkam, this is Lakshmi Rajan. If you like my video, please show your love by subscribing and liking it. Let's see what is written at the back of the box. Notifications, camera control, color touch display, optical heart rate, music control, water resistant, activity tracking, alarm, extra silicone strap, sleep tracking, long battery life, and metallic mesh band. Let's open the box now. We have here the Timeless Fitness Band in rose gold stainless steel mesh band. It is also available in black metal mesh band. This is bracelet style design. Timeless would have taken cue from their watch collections. Backside has a heart rate sensor. The strap end has a magnet attached through which the straps can be secured in place in your wrist. This works neat and easy to adjust. I kind of like this design, and the mesh design looks cool and different from the usual fitness bands we see in the market. This is the charging point. The box also includes a black color silicone strap just in case you want it. This is the proprietary charging cable, which is quite old fashioned technology implementation here. We'll talk about that in a while. Few documents. To start the watch, first you need to charge it. The charging adapter has a pin which has to be aligned with the charging point under the watch. This sounds a bit complicated, and it is, and it has to be aligned properly. A simple charging technology would have been better. The charging cable is also shorter. You need to download the iConnect 3 by Timex apps from the Play Store or App Store to use this. There are multiple Timex apps in the store to confuse you in installing the right one. The band has a 0.096 inch color display. This is a touch display. There is one additional watch face available which you can find in the functions option, but the default one is better choice. You can swipe the screen to access the step count, heart rate monitor, calories count, and distance measured. Swiping down from top gives you access to notifications from SMS, email, WhatsApp. You can enable or disable notifications from different apps from the app. The notification fonts are very small to read. You also get call alerts. Swiping up from the bottom gives you the training modes. Once there, you swipe again to access various other modes. There is a function option where you can control music. The lone watch face option is also available here. There is no one touch to home page option, which is frustrating while you use the menus. In the app, you can pour over fitness details, history, workouts, sleep analysis. Fitness accuracy is around 85%. There is no GPS here. Sleep analysis is just about okay. The fitness band has a IP68 water resistant. It can withstand underwater up to 1.5 meters. Timex claims 5 days battery life, but with notifications enabled, you can expect around 4 days. What works for the Timeless Fitness Band is the looks. The bracelet style metal mesh strap looks nice. What bothers me is the frustrating UI, which is not friendly at all to use. So this is the Timex Fitness Band, and hope you enjoy this video. And if you like it, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care.